push it in the corner. What's up guys, my name is Ryan and today we're gonna be eating in a very special place. So this special place's name is Seoul Garden. Why is this so special is because that it has a grill pit installed in your table. So basically they give you uncooked food like chicken, lamb, beef and fish which you can grill and eat. So they also have some already cooked food like fried chicken and some fried rice which you can also eat. So pretty excited about this. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Why not? I mean, yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, why am I still talking? Let's go. So I'm just pouring some creamy milky fish soup in my bowl. Looks quite tasty and smells tasty too. So this is some mozzarella dip sauce thing. So how you order food in this restaurant is you have to scan this QR code with your mobile phone and then the menu is gonna appear. So it looks something like this. You can see all the food items and all the platters, and you can also see some dessert options like that. So you can order it whenever you want and how many ever times you want it. This soup is not bad. This is actually a pretty good soup. Nice soup. Okay, so this is a steamboat thing, meaning you have to put this into the soup. So this is fish ball and fish cutlets. So I'm gonna be putting the fish cutlets into the soup with this gigantic metal spoon thing. Yep. Oops. Okay, that fell out. But yeah, you have to do it something like that. Works as well. So nothing wrong in that. So what we have here is steak. So I'm just gonna take the steak and put it into the grill. Whoa, that looks cool. I mean, awesome thing. So, okay. Now we're gonna go. Wow, that's pretty cool. So this is fish, some fish cuttlefish thing. Okay, it's touching the beef. Okay, yep, on the side. So pretty nice. Yeah, not too bad. So now we're gonna try putting in the chicken. Okay. Oh, okay. Weird chicken. Quite hard to put it in. Extremely hard. Very, very hard to put in chicken thing. So, yeah. Pretty good looking restaurant this. The ambience is not too bad. And now we're gonna put in some beef. Let's take a piece of that and put it in. Another piece. So, pretty much now it looks decent. But in a reveal of our ultimate grill barbecue pit, this is how it looks. We have been putting everything we've put, like beef and chicken and fish, into the grill pit, and then we've been turning it around and cooking it. So it looks pretty cool now. Yep. So now we're gonna be tasting some rice. That's great. That's amazing rice. Wow, that's a lot of good rice. Good stuff. So this is the ready to eat chicken. Tastes good. That crunchy chicken. Wow. Fish. Amazing. Okay, so there's some weird pasta thing, but not pasta. Looks can be defying. Don't judge it. It's not pasta, but whatever it is, it's amazing. So it has a sweet taste to it too. Okay, so now we're going to be taking some chicken. Yep, some technical difficulties going on around. Let's put that in our plate. Okay, let's try this. Wow. So this salmon looks pretty cool. Hot. Okay. Hot. Oh my, this is too hot. Oh, this is hot. Okay, so this the other type of chicken. Nice chicken. Nice. Nice food around here. Nice chicken. Just love to eat all this chicken. So this is some vegetables, some simple normal vegetables, but the amazing corn. Yep. So this is amazing ham. Very tasty. So these are oysters. You have to remove the shell, and the thing inside is what you're supposed to be eating. Ham. Nice. Ham is like the most common thing you can find in this restaurant, because other stuff are quite new if you've never eaten here before, but ham is quite standard. Yep. Pretty good. Nice restaurant. You should check it out. So guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you get notified on every new video that comes out. Goodbye.